You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 4/3 smaller than 11/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 1/2x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 5 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 4/3 smaller than 11/3.